Jacked in, dive into digital understanding. Hey there, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that has been buzzing around lately, jacked in. Let's understand what it means and how you can use it in conversations. Jacked in is a term that has its roots in cyberpunk culture and technology. It was popularized by science fiction and refers to the action of connecting oneself to a computer or virtual reality system. Think of it as plugging yourself into the digital world. The word jacked usually means to connect or to plug in, while in indicates the direction or state of being connected. When combined, jacked in gives a sense of being deeply immersed or connected to something, usually a digital interface or virtual environment. Here are some example sentences to show you how you might use jacked in a conversation. 1. Ever since he got that new virtual reality headset, he's been jacked in all weekend. 2. To access the mainframe, she jacked in using her neural interface. 3. I can't talk to him right now. He's jacked in to his online game. Remember, like many English phrases, the meaning of jacked in can change based on the context. In most cases, it refers to being connected to technology, especially immersive technology like virtual reality. However, it can also be used metaphorically to describe someone who is deeply engrossed or focused on something. That's a wrap on jacked in. We hope this video helped you understand the phrase and how to use it. As always, English is a vibrant and evolving language, and it's exciting to learn about new phrases and expressions. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.